Hi guys. Hi guys. So sorry. So I got this package from Creative Peripherals. You may know Creative Peripherals are the distributor for Cooler Master, and yeah, it's a big package. And I'm not sure what's in it, but yeah, I got it of the outer package. Nice company type brand logo stuff, and here is an box, cardboard box, too many tapes. So I know 2020 is hard on everyone. Yeah, everyone is in a tight position. Like I hope everything goes well for 2020, but if it doesn't, then no matter what, we will continue to fight and be good to ourselves, be good to others. If you ask me, there is no point creating new issue amid a pandemic. Yeah, like okay. Oh wow. Okay, sorry. This box is used due to the packaging thing. So right out of the box, we have Johnny Silverhand. I am bonkers, man. I was looking for this. Actually, missed the hook up when I got the game. I was like, oh man, I missed it. But yeah, yeah. I think okay. Let's get this card out first too. So it is a cooler master. So happy new year. We thank you for your consistent support and appreciate our relationship over the past year. Looking forward to better. Definitely. Thanks guys. Thank you very much. This is like what I can say, man. Okay. Like let me tell you guys. Uh, I have this also. I have an unboxing video about it. There is also World of Cyberpunk Deluxe Edition. I will unbox that too, and strategy guide is coming too. But yeah, man, this is this is Johnny Silverhand, aka Kino Rips. Thank you so much, Cooler Master. Like, it's already out of stock. You can't get it. So they did a fantastic job uh, by getting me it, and this package already is like cranked to an 11 for me. There is something else too. I will try to rip apart the package more. Let's do it on camera. So I want to tell you guys, Cooler Master is one of the very good brands. They are in India for a long time. As far as team is concerned, there is Meenu Jain, Sanket Nayak, Harshal Tank, and many more. I can't recall the name for some reason, and I am definitely sorry for that. But yeah, Cooler Masters are known for their peripherals, known for their cabinet. In fact, Cooler Master is like one of the companies who were in India like for a long time now. So yeah, go for it. And this is Smart Chipku mug. Okay, Smart Chipku mug. Vacuum grip mechanism. There's some more info. I think this is the red color because it is marked red. And definitely quality stuff. Yeah, I can feel it. This is the vacuum thingy, and wow, you pour upon your drink, coffee, tea. I am not a drinker, by the way. I drink fruit juice, max to max. So, wow, what can I say, guys? Kulu Master, thank you so much. Like, I was not sure I will be able to get Johnny Silverhand, but you guys did it. And yeah, it's the 592 one. There are two Johnny Silverhand. I think this is the only one which was coming to India or something. And like heartiest thanks to everyone from CM. Again, I will like to thank Minu Jain, Sanket Nayak, Harshal Tank, and everyone. Guys, it's kind of rare for me to get the gift. This one is also a gift. I will post a video about that too. So this year I got two. Wow. I think 2020 is like living up to his reputation of not that, like, what can I say? Not not that much painful. Again, shout out to Creative Peripherals. Shout out to Cooler Masters. This is the what is this? This is the Smart Chip Mug game, but I got it myself, not from CM, but yeah, this one, dude. Okay, like I'm some from cold. It might be sounding off from me, but yeah, thank you, Cooler Master. Thank you so much. Hope you like the video and do give it a like and watch it. Thank you. Bye.